What's up everybody, and welcome back to the garage. Today we have the golf cart in. We're going to do a little luxury upgrade on it. Let's check it out. So this is my 2015 E-Z-GO Express S4. It's a gas golf cart. I've had it for a couple of years now. I've done quite a few videos on it. It's called the Doodle Buggy because we have a doodle puppy that just loves to ride on the golf cart. Today we're going to be addressing this floor. This is a hard plastic floor, and it gets slippery when it gets wet. It's not the best feel underfoot. I've slipped a couple of times, and I don't want to get hurt. So I've got a product here that we're going to have a look at that should fix that problem. So this product is from KemiMoto. It's a floor mat that's going to cover up the floor of the golf cart. So we're going to do an unboxing and check it out. But first, I want you guys to know KemiMoto does a lot more than just floor mats for golf carts. They have mirror sets. They have stuff for street bikes, stuff for dirt bikes, stuff for side-by-sides. I'm going to link their store in the description. So be sure you go check them out and see what else they have. Because this is a quality product, then I'm sure all of their other products are quality too. So let's have a look at it and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's get this thing pulled out. And this box is pretty heavy, so I feel like it's a pretty solid product. It's definitely not light. Some tabs. Oh yeah, it's packaged well. Wrapped in plastic and taped up so it's not going to get all dirty and messed up in shipping. One more. Oh yeah, this is a good quality. This is really nice. I was kind of skeptical, you know, because the prices are pretty decent. I think this is about $50, $60. This is a solid unit. It's got a good grippy surface. I like the design. Let's see how thick it is. It claims to be 7 mil. It's actually a little thicker than 7 mil. It's almost 8 mil. You see on the little thing right there. That's nice. Super thick. It's got some grippy nubbies on the back so it doesn't slide off. I'm not sure what these are. I think they're a hold down, like a clip. I mean, I guess if your golf cart's really fast, you can clip those on and it won't fly off, but I don't think I'm going to have that problem. So let's do a test fit, see how it looks. All right. So far, so good. I'm excited. All right, so it's got cutouts for the throttle pedal and the brake pedal. Should just slide right on there once I get it where it needs to be. Needs to come this way just a little bit. Look at that. All right. Fits pretty dang good. The cutouts for the pedals are the right size and shape. Everything slid right over that. It's a good width on the sides. It's a good reach here. Oh yeah. Fits on this side good. Not sure how those clippies work. I don't think I'm going to need them. I mean, it's grippy. Like, it's not going anywhere. That's on there. Looks so much more modern and luxurious. I like it a lot. Well guys, that's pretty much it on this one. That was a super simple install. It only took us a couple of minutes as you saw, but it really changes the look and feel of the cart. It makes it seem like a much more luxurious cart, much nicer, more high-end cart. And I'm sure it's going to help some with the road noise. And the feel underfoot, I think, is really going to be nice. I don't have to worry about slipping if my feet are wet, you know. I really like this upgrade. I hope you guys do too. And that's going to finish it off for this one, guys. This was a super simple project, but a project nonetheless, and we got it done. If you guys like what you see, if you want to get some updates whenever I upload new videos, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this product or any questions in general, you can ask the questions on the comments of the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you on those. Be sure you check out the description for a link to this product specifically and for the KemiMoto Amazon Marketplace. They have a lot of products. They have stuff for side-by-sides, for street bikes, for dirt bikes, for golf carts, all different kinds. So be sure you check that out. But for now, you guys have a good one and rock on.